Hello.
Hello.
Hi, sis. Happy to have you back.
Yes, thank you very
By
much.
popular demand.
Yes.
So, it's just great to see you again. It's going to be an amazing event, as usual. And you have shown your true colors today, inside and out.
Thank you very much.
We look forward to having you.
Thank you very much. So I'm here in London, people. As I said to you before, this is the closing ceremony of the King's College Hospital Black, Asian, Minority and Ethnic Network, and I'll be one of the speakers here today. Thank you to Patricia and her team for choosing me to represent Jamaica as the diaspora.
Every time.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Blessed love. Upfull.
Lion heart, seek and you shall find by design. So why you lose African mind? African talk, African birth to decline.